Some kids are born genius, and some are creatively made by parents. Welcome to M for Parenting.
Hello parents, this is Priyanka Barge. Welcome to M for Parenting. I hope you are liking all my videos, but also do subscribe the channel. It gives me a lot of motivation to create more videos for you, and also hit the like button if you really like the videos. Now today's episode number 8, video number 8, and the topic of the video is your child will be the next Einstein. Now this is really a special video that I am creating for you in order to tell you that really your kids can become the next Einstein. Even if some parents might be thinking that this is impossible, but I'll tell you this is really possible. This video is surely going to add another feather into your cap that is going to take your kids closer to success. Basically, there are two important aims that I have kept for the Happy Kids group. The first aim is to train the kids for the future. We have to train our kids for the future and not for the present. Remember that. So whatever qualities and skills that are required for your child to be successful after 20 years when your child is going to enter some of the profession, either doing a job into some profession or going for entrepreneurship, whatever your child does as a profession, he or she should be successful in that profession. So whatever may be that profession. And to become successful in any profession, there are some basic qualities and skills that every human being requires. Like your child can become like Einstein. By becoming like Einstein, I mean that the qualities of Einstein, like Einstein was so creative. He was very focused and concentrated on whatever he did. He was so inquisitive as a child. He had lots of patience and wisdom. He had lots of curiosity, sense of humor and perseverance. So apart from these also, there are many other qualities that are to be learned by our kids. And these are the basic qualities that every human being should possess. So apart from academics, building up these qualities into our kids has become a priority. Like the future is completely going to change. Whatever things you are using now, they might become outdated after 20 years. So we have to train our kids for the future and not for the present. And to make our kids successful after 20 years, we have to teach to our kids those qualities that will be required and important even after 20 years. So those qualities that will be given much more importance even after 20 years, those qualities and skills have to be taught to the kids from this age itself, from a very small age. So this video is basically to tell you what is the importance of this group and what we are up to, what we have kept an aim for our children. So I wanted to tell you that. So basically, as I told, there are two important aims, like training the child for the future, teaching the skills and qualities required by that child after 20 years to become successful in whatever profession he or she chooses. And the second aim of this group is to support and create a growth mindset for the parents. And when you do that, your parenting journey is also going to become very joyful and memorable. So these are the two aims that we have kept for this group. And with whatever videos I post, I share with you, I have been focusing on every single problem that the children of these age face. So many parents might be wondering that how the child can become like Einstein, or how the child can become successful in the future. So apart from the profession that your child is going to choose in the future, to become successful in that profession, these qualities and skills are important, and we are going to teach these skills and qualities to our child. So this is the way we are going to take our kids towards success. Because even if your child is very good at academics and does not have these qualities, there will be very less chances of getting that level of success. And by success, you can mean anything. Success can be fame, success can be money, success can be joy and satisfaction, or success can be all of these. So it is different for different people. But you can get all of these with these qualities after 20 years when your child will be entering into any profession. So all the parents have to make an effort to teach these qualities to your child, and how to teach these qualities I'm going to tell you that through my videos. And I'm also going to tell you about the kind of mindset that you have to create for yourself, for your family, for your child, because that is going to contribute in his or her success. See, I think parents are directly and indirectly responsible for the success and failure of children, because success and failure is dependent upon the qualities that you teach your kids, the kind of environment you keep at home, the kind of treatment that you give to your child, the kind of time that you give to your child. What qualities are you giving into inheritance to your child? That is important in their life to make them successful. So I think success and failure is directly or indirectly, whatever, it is related to the parents. So you have to design your own ways of expressing, of teaching your child. And this is the aim of the group, to support parents and to support children, both to become successful in life. So when you like my videos, please hit the like button. When you like the videos, please hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the videos that I post. So I get lots of comments from people when they watch the videos, that the videos have benefited in this way and that way, and the videos are good and whatever. So if this is the case, please subscribe the channel and like the video also. That is going to give me lots of motivation to create the videos for you. So all the best to all the parents for the parenting journey and for the journey of child development. The next video will be again something about child development and a support to the parents. Keep watching. Till then, take care. Bye.
Subscribe to the channel to guide your kids towards success. And press the bell icon to get updated with all the videos.